This is doing my everyday boy makeup. Surprise! I'm here again. Welcome back to my channel. It's been about a year. My name is Kaden and this is my channel. I don't know what the channel's called. Anyways, today I just got home from work. I had to work today. I'm going to go take a shower, wash off what little bit of makeup I do have on, which is hardly none. It is hot up in this mug today. So, without further ado, oh my god. That's way better. So cute. Look at my cheeks. I've gained weight. I've gained a lot of weight. No more explaining myself. We're gonna get right to the freaking video today, man. Let me go take a shower and I'll be right back and we'll hop right into it. I'd say the most important part of pulling off a natural look that you can just throw on and people's like, they'll be like, oh, Kato, your skin is so clear. Wow. What did you do? Wow, boy, you need to get it together. See, I had went to the shower and then I smoked a couple times. And then Keisha called me. Keisha Crease. Keisha So Fly. Keisha Reloaded. Girl, what's your Instagram name, Keisha? Keisha on Instagram. That's all it is. Now it's nap time and I can't even, I don't even know why I'm filming right now. I don't know why. I don't know why I think I can do this. The most important part of pulling off a natural look, a natural makeup look that is unclockable is moisturization. You need to moisturize. You need to make sure your face is so moisturized that you can pour cereal on it and have breakfast. Make sure your lips are moisturized. This is a little sample, ilia. I bought some highlighter, some liquid highlighter. Girl. Ilia. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the brand of the lip balm. It's like a lip mask. I just use it for lip balm like all the time. We're gonna use some hyaluronic acid drops. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I still don't know if I like this product or not. I really don't. I just use it sometimes and I put way too much and I just hope for the best. Can we brush my hair real quick? Thanks. Ooh, crunchy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gosh, my hair feels so dry. I've been washing it too much or something. Oh, that feels so good. Now you can see my beautiful face. Okay, now we're going to take a little bit of Neutrogena. This is a Neutrogena water cream. I have been using this for a year or two now, and I love it. I just love it. I love it so much. But the secret is to always use it with more products. Like if you use it on its own, I don't think it's as effective, obviously. But since we're not using any kind of retinol right now on my face, I'm going to use some brightening vitamin C under eye moisturizer that I also got from BoxyCharm. I keep it in my little mini fridge right here. Everything I just put on my face was cold. BTW. I bring it down on my cheeks a little bit and that just adds some extra moisture. Boom! But why stop there? Why not glow ahead? See what I did there? Glow ahead. Why don't I glow ahead and put some oil on top of all that? Oh, this is also, you know what? Come through BoxyCharm because everything, not everything, but a lot of skincare that they send me, I really do use in my actual life. Like, it's worth it, if you ask me. Do you see how my camera is really glitching out right now? I don't like that. This is why I need a cameraman. Or woman. I'm also going to add a little bit of mattifying moisturizer to my nose and my T-zone. You know what? I don't do that every day, by the way. I just do that when I'm going somewhere. This is all stuff I will do if I'm going somewhere. If I'm going to work, it's just like moisturizer, boom, boom, boom. But we'll put some of this primer on. This is also BoxyCharm. It's a glassy skin primer. Yes, honey. The moisture is real. Oh, yeah. Oh, daddy. Stop. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Don't act like that. Let's top that off with a little bit of Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I can't even feel it on my face. That's how wet my face already is. I can't even feel the spray going on my face. I don't have a lot of light on me either, by the way. Like, see, I just don't want to have all that light on me. Ooh, I gotta have more than that though. So now that you're really moisturized, like really moisturized, this is, okay, normally if I'm doing like a look, I will use some sort of like pore filling primer. But I feel like when I'm just on the go, that's just too much to do. So what I'll do is I'll just use some CC cream. This is my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This is the shade I've been using. Where are you? Where is it? Hello? The shade I've been using is medium. I put a little bit on my finger. Warm it up. And I just put it on my nose. I rub it around, throwing a little bit up here, a little bit down here. And I rub it in. I do have on a fake tan, and this color is a little light, so we're going to add a little bit of a darker shade in with it. We're going to add shade Tan. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's take our damp beauty sponge. This one isn't all the way damp, but it's damp enough. And blot that in. I really should have dampened this more out. I used to use my Tarte Shape Tape, but in the wintertime it's just a little too dry. So I've been using By Light Under Eye by IT Cosmetics. And okay, I've been using the shade Medium, what is it, Medium Natural. And all you do is put a little bit, dot dot dot. You don't need a whole lot. For the sake of the video, I'll bring it out to here. Sometimes I put a little on my nose, but I usually don't. Only if I have time to play. Blend out all of that. I always just use my finger to blend this concealer. I find it kind of mashes it in better. And you can go over it when you're done with the beauty sponge if that is what you prefer. But I do not prefer it right now, so it looks really natural and moist and dewy. Alright, now that highlighter I was telling you about earlier that I bought, the Ilia highlighter, it's a good little serum liquid highlighter moment. It just dries down weird on my skin. So I actually prefer to use the Wet n Wild. I'll show you the difference real quick. This is the Ilia. It was like $40 or $50 for this one. See, that's pretty natural. It has some glitter in it. This, on the other hand, is the Hello Halo, whatever. It's got a doe foot applicator and it is gorgeous. Let me tell you how gorgeous it is. Why are we not focused? Look at that. This is the high end. This is the drugstore. Do you see the difference? Because I don't. The Wet n Wild just tends to dry down better on my skin. It's a little bit thinner and liquidier. But it does get everywhere, gosh. So I just put a couple dots right here. A couple dots right here. And a dot here. A little bit here. A little bit here. And some here. you know, your normal highlight spots. So blend it down with your finger. I'm sorry, this isn't a tutorial. I'm just telling you what I do. I blend that down with my finger. I keep getting confused thinking this is a tutorial, and I'm just telling you about my makeup, man. Look at that. Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, Wet n Wild. You really came through for a real one. Oh yeah, you did. Oh, I was going to use the ilia, wasn't I? Oh wow. Sorry. I need to order a different shade of this Wet n Wild because it is kind of too pink. When I have a tan, I don't like to have like a pink highlighter because the pink shows through. Oh, look how wet I look, baby! Let's put a little bit of ilia. And this one sticks too. When you put it somewhere, baby, it stays. Yeah, see, we're not going to do that. We're not doing that. I don't know what game you want to play. Expensive highlighter. But that is not the game I'm playing today. See, look. Do you see what I mean? When you wipe it off, that's how it dries down. It dries like a layer. Instead of fusing with your skin, it's like a layer on top of your skin. And I don't really care about it. Like, I don't want to go. I don't want to do that. If I'm really feeling bright and special, I'll take a little bit of Revlon Skin Lights. And this is shade Prismatic Highlighter. As you can see, I use this a lot. It's really pretty. I love it. It's natural. And it kind of, come on, focus. I can kind of set my highlighter with another highlighter. And it just adds that neutral tone I need with the pink. We can pat that down, kind of blend it out a little bit. Alright. The next step is optional. It depends. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. I don't always set it, but sometimes you just need to. Okay, let me show you what I really like to do, actually. I have deep set eyes right where the crease is. To get rid of that shine showing where my dip is, I kind of just put a little right there. That way it just blends in the dip. See the difference? See how this side you can kind of see the rift, and this side it kind of blurs it down. So that's what I do. Just a little bit. Not much. And then I'll take this powder brush. Now I'll do the side of my nose. Oh shoot, that was a lot of powder. And the less you use, the better. I did not mean to use so much. It just happened. Okay, we're just going to powder the entire nose. See the difference that made? Ooh. And powder right here. Why am I using so much powder? Oh my gosh. That was not the plan to use that much powder, sis. Wow. Don't forget to powder your eyes right here too. Okay, something else I do when I have a good little tan going on is I'll take my bronzer, usually butter bronzer, actually always butter bronzer. Ew. I use my bronzer and I do this part of my head, but I have a big weird shaped forehead, so it just works for me. But I darken that up. And I bring that down like that. And then same for the cheeks, kind of bring that in right there. This is kind of like a bronze contour, natural shape up. There we go. Put some on the end of the nose. What I normally do is I'll put lotion on my neck. So we're just going to use setting spray instead of lotion. This one has glitter in it, but I'm not going anywhere. I let that dry down, and I'll take my bronzer and I'll start at the chin area. And I'll go around like this, Kind of darken that up a little bit. And I'll bring it down. Then I'll pull my shirt down and do right here. That way it looks like it's coming up from your chest. Behind the ears and on the ears is important. And kind of take your brush, blend back through just a little bit. Take a little natural brush, do your bronzer, do your eyelids. Don't forget the eyelids, it really ties it together. You can kind of blend some out right here, kind of create a little crease. I find myself lately, because I usually use dip brows, lately I've been finding myself using my brow pencil more than ever. So what I do is I start right here. I just kind of create a false line underneath. Just ever so gently. Look, I'm getting too carried away because I'm in a hurry. Put on some more lip balm. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer from BoxyCharm. You know what? BoxyCharm, you've supplied my life. You've really come through for a real one for my life. So that's it, guys. That is the full daytime, quick, boy, in a hurry, on the go, get ready for work, put on makeup without looking like you have on makeup kind of look. That's it. That's all there is. Now you can just fix your hair however you want it to. Yeah. Oh! Oh, baby, look at... Ow! Alright, y'all. It was fun filming this video today. I like the fact that you just sat and listened. You sat and listened to me tell you how I do my face. Who else would do that but a real one, you know? You're a real friend. You're a real friend. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yep. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. That really counts when you actually hit the like button. It helps me a lot. I hope that we can make this a thing and I can come back next week. And again 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 next week.